How's it going, family? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about NIO once again being bullish. So just delivering this bullish content to you guys. We have some more bullish articles that we need to get through, and just exploring the possibility of NIO hitting all-time highs this time around before the end of the month, and just going forward with that momentum towards getting the $22, $24 price targets that we've been trying to set for NIO, that we are confident that we're going to get there. We as NIO investors, we know the stock can perform really well, and we're staying here for the long term. So yeah, we're not selling early, man. Nothing's going to shake us. If you're a NIO hodler like me, definitely we're not selling below $100. Like, we're selling the stock above the 3-digit mark. So we're going to at least get $100 per share. And that's how we're going to do this. We're going to definitely stick around for that price, $100, which has been predicted in the past by analysts. Not in yuan, guys. I'm talking about $100 USD. Like, it's possible. The reason why is because we've already hit 17, 18 dollars. So anyone saying that the price target is in yuan instead of USD, or if it's or whatever, it's not, because we've already hit past $17. So we've actually broken into $20, and we're actually going to get close to $25. So why would the price target be below a number that we've already reached before, like 20, and we're going to end up getting to 30, 40 soon. So why would the price target be below that and be at $17, which in the equivalent yuan is basically 118, right? That's just so you guys can get an understanding of where the stock is going. It's not going to stay around these prices for too long, man. It's in the double digits, but I expect it to get into the triple digits by around fall of next year. So I'm talking about 12 months from now. Maybe even it could even take up until quarter 4 of 2021 before we can see triple digits with NIO. But it's happening. It's gonna take place sooner than later, guys. So Najarian sees unusual options activity in NIO and Tesla. So these are hot EV companies. Sorry about my mic, guys. There's some issue. I have my the pop filter right here, and I moved it. But anyway, basically, there's a lot of calls being bought and everything. And this was just recently. These are for October. So around 4,000 contracts of the October $23 calls were bought Tuesday for 75 cents. Now this is talking about NIO. So yeah, that's actually pretty interesting that's going on. Now we also noticed high activity in Tesla Inc. So for this one, around 600,000 contracts were traded in the first 90 minutes of trading. And traders bought around 30,000 contracts of the September $450 calls, which expire on Friday. So he expects the price to break out above 450 for Tesla, and people expect the stock to break $23 by October. This is why we're giving NIO that $24 price target, is because there's a lot of unusual options activity going on with NIO and Tesla, with these hot EV companies, that we're just gonna start seeing the price move up there very soon. Now another article I want to get through, continuing with my bullish content, man. We're so bullish about NIO. We gotta continue these vibes, just delivering content where you guys can stay motivated, man, and keep holding, and just don't sell because you see a red day. Like, these red days, they're just an illusion. Like, this is nothing. The real price is it's gonna manifest as soon as other investors and institutions jump in and they see the value that NIO is providing for China, and not only China, but eventually the world on a global scale, where they're going to provide a lot of value through their battery swap technology. Not only that, but the options with the battery leasing, and just so much battery as a service programs and stuff that they're working on. Just the ecosystem that they're going to be able to not only develop completely, but also put out there for their customers, like the NIO stores, NIO Club, NIO everything, NIO House, like all that's going to end up becoming its own meme. It's going to become this trendy thing. And I think that as we're heading into an EV society, we're now going to switch over from combustion or fueled or just like gasoline fueled vehicles. We're not going to go into a world where all these cars are going to be powered by batteries, and that's what we're gonna be focused on, to not only reduce pollution, but just to be safer, because there's a lot of safety features that these cars have. So now, before I start like rambling too much, basically NIO is likely to create a new all-time high. Like I said in my last video, amid expectations of record September deliveries, people are expecting there to be a record number of deliveries for September. Now the EC6 just released this month, but don't expect that car to do incredible numbers, because for one, that car is brand new. Two, it's only released in 10 cities. Three, NIO is still trying to work up, like scalability and stuff, and production for that car. I expect that car to start hitting good numbers like around November, December this year at the very least, before you can actually see a substantial amount of EC6s being sold. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that you can go through that you guys are actually gonna be able to pause through. I don't want to read through all this and bore you guys any further, but literally, there's a bunch of stuff right here that you guys can pause as I'm scrolling down right here on the article. On the video, you can slow it down if I'm talking too fast or whatever, but just pause and take in all that information, just absorb it. Now we're going to talk about basically, I already shared this trading view post, but we're going to look at this one. Now this is a trading view post that I found pretty interesting. In my opinion, I think this is actually pretty relevant to NIO right now when you look at the TA and stuff going on with this. But basically, NIO needs to hold around this price, which is $19, according to White Huracan from the TradingView community. He's basically saying, like, if NIO breaks this level at $19.22, we can expect a retest of the next line of support at $19. After that, we have $18.55 and $18. I don't think we will get below $19 with battery day on the 22nd. So yeah, keep in mind, as a reminder to you guys, battery day is approaching very quickly, and it's a annual meeting for stockholders and stuff that's happening. It's gonna basically boost a lot of these EV startups. It's gonna provide exposure to these companies. Not that NIO really needs it right now, but it's something that can just add more fuel to the ongoing fire that this hot stock is causing, man. Like, it's gonna fly through. Now, one thing I want to also mention is I was scrolling through these there's a lot of these trading view TA analysis that people are basically putting out there, saying there's gonna be a breakthrough. Now this breakthrough can happen as long as the stock market doesn't crash. Like, people are predicting that the stock market can crash at any moment. Like, it's a bubble. It's too overvalued. So people expect there to be a correction overall. But if the stock market just continues to do normal basically, and there's nothing outside out of NIO's control that can affect it like that, then NIO will actually will keep trading higher. I think it will be moving upwards on an upward trend. It's going to be just going to that $22 price target, $23, which we expect to hit by around October. So yeah, like on this article mentioning the unusual options activity, like they saw a lot of contracts being bought for 75 cents just recently on Tuesday, and these were $23 calls. So they expect the price to go up past $23 so they can make that profit. They can make that extra cash from trading options. And if you're smart with trading options with NIO, then you would take your profit that you make from the options that you're buying and selling, and then you'd actually use that to buy into NIO even more, to pick up a larger bag of this company, and then you hold for the long term, right? You don't sell too early. You want to sell at a 3 to 4x when you can 4x at least your initial investment. So, and then obviously if that's if that's over 1,000 shares, and that's gonna be a good amount of money right there, just from this company alone. And keep in mind, there's other EV companies like Workhorse, Tesla, that you guys could look into that are going to be big players in the EV space in the coming years. So definitely invest into these companies because they're here to stay, man. Just like XRP, XLM, VET. I had to plug in, guys, the cryptos that are gonna be here. But yeah, basically that's the future. EV is the future for cars, just like blockchain technology, and just cryptocurrencies is the future for finance. So yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel if you're new. This is the end of the video, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Literally, free stocks, the links are in the description for Webull and Robinhood. When I started investing, I didn't know that you could get free stocks from just signing up with a few links. So yeah, I mean, you guys shouldn't miss out. The opportunity to get free money within 10 minutes is right there. Check it out. If you're new, obviously, to investing, and if you want to support me as well, that's amazing. Now, we are finishing this video up. If you liked it, like, comment, and also share the video to show your support. That's how I'll know if you guys are really rocking with me. By seeing those likes, man, that gets me hyped up for my next video to post more. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.